Hello guys, so this video is about the installation of front and rear bumper in my XUV300 और ये देखो ये बम्पर है, ये मैंने ऑर्डर किया है Boodmo ऐप से. So I will quickly show you the unboxing of these bumpers. Let's see कैसा है. What I have, it's basically a keyring. It will serve this purpose to unbox it. Nice packaging. मैंने फ्रंट एंड रियर बम्पर ऑर्डर किया था. अब ये ओनली फ्रंट है या रियर, लेट्स सी. So you see, this is the front skid plate and this one is the rear skid plate. Let me open this. Guys, finally the bumper is here. This is the back one. ये है front skid plate. ये silver color में ही आती है. Even if your car is of different color, this comes in a silver only. The feel is good. It's not so heavy, but I think it will serve the purpose. The feel is good. It's a glossy finish. So this one is, I mean, not so heavy. ये हल्का है. अब मुझे इसे इंस्टॉल कराना है और मुझे ये दोनों का कॉस्ट गिरा अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 2800 रुपीज़ along with shipping charges.